What's up, guys? How y'all doing? Welcome to my first system test number 1. I'm going to be testing 2 true alerts for all 3 types of horns. Now, the last video I showed you guys was with the my tour of my system test, and now we're going to start testing in 3, 2, 1. I gotta go upstairs to turn it off. The only thing that works so far is the horn. Alright guys, that was system test 1. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys for part 2 for March time. Bye.